All right, so yesterday we left off on number 8. I'm going to finish off the entire study guide B, and then I'm going to take questions from study guide A. Yes? All right, here we go. Number 7. Let me zoom in. Once again, you should have a blank sheet of paper and doing these with me. Yes, Daniel? Yeah? All right, good. Yeah, because I saw you staring into the sunset. So I was like, oh, okay. Thank you. Here we go. Simplify the expression 125 to the 2/3 power plus 16 to the 1/2 power. So the first thing we're going to do with this one, everybody ready now? Okay. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to rewrite this exponential expression. Why? Because we cannot have a number greater than 1 on the numerator for that fraction, yes? So this becomes 125 to the 1/3 times the second power. Therefore, we're going to focus on this one. Can we rewrite that? Yes, that is cube root of 125. The multiplication sign indicates and reminds us that we need to do this to the second power. Therefore, what number times itself 3 times gives me 125? 5. Bring down the exponent of 2. What is 5 squared? 25. All right. We got the plus sign. This one is already simplified for the fraction, so we get square root of 16. What is square root of 16? 4. Therefore, 29. And have you got that? Okay, good. Go to number 6. Number 6. And once again, we're still on study guide B. Number 6. Here we go. So for this one, I keep seeing some of you get, maybe you're tired or whatever the case, but somehow some of you keep multiplying the numerator times the exponent and the denominator times the exponent. These are whole numbers. This is an exponent. However, what is the exponent of 4 and 5? 1 and 1. So when you distribute, this is written as 4 to the negative 4 over 5 to the negative 4. So far so good? So in order for this one to turn into a positive, we need to send it to the denominator. So this is 4 to the 4th. However, in the denominator, we already have 5 to the negative 4th. And that one to turn into a positive, we need to send it up to the numerator, 5 to the 4th. Therefore, 5 to the 4th is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 4 to the 4th is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. I'm going to go this way. What is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5? 625. And what is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4? 256. All right. So 625 divided by 256. It fits in there how many times? 2. So that is 512. Subtract. That leaves us with 113. Therefore, this simplified is 2 and 113 over 256. Hands if you got that. That is correct. Now, whenever you end up with a mixed number like this, if you can simplify the fraction a little bit more, that's fine. But you don't have to do the decimal because I don't want you to make any mistakes with rounding or whatever the case. Okay? Go to number 5. It says, simplify and all variables represent non-negative numbers. Okay? So this one, we have two expressions multiplying each other. So, common mistake on this one, guys. This is, and I don't know why it happens all the time. You guys show me with the arrow, and then you rewrite a to the 4th. Have you guys noticed some of you do that? You show me with the arrow that you're going to distribute the exponent times the exponent, but you don't multiply. You just write a to the 4th again. Whenever you draw the arrow so that you multiply it, so 8 times 4 is 32. Next, 8 times 1/2 is 4. Or in other words, what is 8 times 1? 8 divided by 2, 4. When they're side by side, it's multiplication. And what do we know about exponents and indexes? They divide. Is that correct? What is 12 divided by 12? 1. Therefore, we bring this down, a to the 32nd. And these, same base. What is 4 plus 1? 5. And so we got that. Okay, good. Let's go to number 4. Simplify. Once again, an exponent of 1 right here. Distribute. I'm going to start with the numerator first. So 2 times 1 is 2. So this is 3 to the 2nd and r to the 18. So far, so good. Denominator. R to the 6th, S to the 18. All right. Next. What is 3 to the 2nd? 3 times 3. What is R18 divided by R to the 6th? R to the 12. Why? Because they're the same base and we subtract. 18 minus 6 is 12. Over, what stays in the denominator? S to the 18. Some of you keep bringing that one up to the numerator. It's not a negative exponent. It stays in the denominator. Therefore, let's simplify. What is 3 times 3? 9, r to the 12 over s to the 18. And if you got that, okay, good. Let's go to number 3. Number 3. N to the 7th and n to the 3rd becomes n to the what? 4th. Bring down the n to the 5th. Are we done?
No.
No, why not? Tell your neighbor. Very good. Alphabetical order when it's a monomial, yes? So this is n to the 5th, n to the 4th. When it's more than a monomial, like a binomial, trinomial, then it has to be in standard form. Okay? And let's go to number 2. I'm going to start with red. Distribute, distribute. This is m to the 4th, n to the negative 4th, times. Distribute, distribute. This is m to the negative 9, n to the 9. We're multiplying everything, so same bases are these. That means m. What happens to the exponents? We add. 4 plus negative 9, that's negative 5. Same base. Negative 4 plus 9, that is 5. Which one has a negative exponent? The m to the negative 5. To make it a positive, it goes in the denominator. Change it to a positive. And what stays in the numerator? N to the 5th. And we got that. Now, some of you keep forgetting to change the negatives into positive exponents, so be careful with that one. And the last one of study guide B. Yay! Here we go. You put exponent of 1, and let's distribute to here, and to here. 4 to the 4th, w to the 4th, and x to the 24th. Times, put a 1 here, distribute, w to the 5th, x to the 5th. All right. 4 to the 4th, that's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is 256. These are the same base, so I write w. What is 4 plus 5? 9. Same base, x. 24 plus 5, that's 29. And hands if you got that. Okay, good. And that was study guide B. I'm going to upload this at the end of the day so you guys can have it as a reference. So I already covered all problems from study guide B from 40 all the way to 1. So if you guys need to reference that over the weekend to compare some of the processes for study guide C, you may do so. Okay? Enjoy your home play.